He's so cute.
Counted up good, man. Good.
See a little twist.
So what are my plans for the wildfire? Get rid of those wheels. I wanted to stay authentic to the time period, so I ordered up a set of Dayton wire wheels. That has my bling, and hopefully my cash. They really look good. Yeah, they did. They did a hell of a job.
This is gonna get like 1 million hits. I'm just gonna name it Mice Eating Cheese or Mouse Eating Cheese.
We're gonna need a better
That's
video.
a wheel with a single nut in the
No,
middle,
this'll work.
quick and easy change. The Indy 500 cars with the 40s had them, and after World War I, Dayton even made airplane wheels. Even Charles Lindbergh had it set on the Spirit of St. Louis. The single nut design is also an aesthetic choice for today's lowriders and street rides. I think there's a massive resurgence with it.
Do something cute, bro.
Exclusively to, to blame for the resurgence in spoke wheels.
They made exact duplicate, and they did it one-off immediately.
Yeah.
Well, I'm tickled to death. I like to see what they look like on the car.
Let's get them on.
They're pretty soon.
I want to drive this damn thing.
All right, so about this rear bumper.
The rear bumper on the Wild
My fingers.